Welcome. In this beginner's guide, I'll show you how to use My Hours for time tracking step by step. We'll cover how to create projects and tasks, track time manually or with a timer, manage team members, set billing rates, generate reports, and monitor productivity. I'll also show you how to track billable and non-billable hours, export timesheets, and use insights to improve workflow efficiency. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, agency manager, or part of a growing team, this guide will help you stay organized, track work hours accurately, and manage projects more effectively using My Hours. Let's get started. Whether you're tracking client work, managing team hours, or just trying to get a better understanding of your productivity, this tool can make your life a whole lot easier. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from creating your first project to logging time, organizing tasks, generating reports, and even invoicing clients. So if you're tired of losing billable hours or juggling spreadsheets, just watch this video till the end. So before we get started, first let us know what is My Hours. My Hours is a cloud-based time tracking and project management tool that's ideal for freelancers, consultants, agencies, and small teams. Launched with a focus on simplicity and efficiency, it provides users with a centralized platform to track time, manage tasks, and bill clients without the need for clunky software or complex setups. So My Hours also offers a generous free plan that includes unlimited projects and clients, which makes it an awesome entry point for beginners, solopreneurs, or side hustlers just getting started. So whether you're billing clients by the hour or just trying to understand where your time goes each week, My Hours is designed to be lightweight, user-friendly, and highly effective for professionals who care about their time. So now let's get started. So simply head over myhours.com, which is their official website, and you can try it for free. So simply sign up for an account first. Now, after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to this page right here. So as you can see, I already set up mine. So this is my project. So as you can see, we have our features right here, the left-hand side, which is to track approvals, your projects, reports, your clients, your users, and your settings. So first, we have the track section right here. So as you can see, you can add the projects and the tasks. So I already added one. So let's say we want to add another project. So just select the project you created. So you can either select the created one or the sample project provided by My Hours. So let's say select mine. Now select the task. I'm just going to select task 2. Say, now you can add the hours worked right here on the specific dates. So let's say you have worked on this task an hour and a half. So as you can see, and on Tuesday, again, an hour and a half. And from here, you want to work this 2 or just 2 hours, as you can see. And of course, you can always edit this. You can add details, as you can see. Let's click on add details. So this is the duration of the hours worked. So this is not billable yet. So this is the cost breakdown. You can add the start time and end time. So let's say we're doing this 12:30 until 2 and click on save. So that will be the details of this time log. And of course, you can always add new timesheet rows if you want. You can add, again, you could also see, if you want, you can change this to the daily view or the weekly view. This is how it looks like on the daily view. So you can add your time log right here. Also, you can set the timer and add this to your favorites and set the timeline. Next is the approvals. hold on. If you're quite confused, My Hours has this short video right here where you can watch as a tutorial on how you can easily get this done here in the track section. Next, we have the approval section. So from here, as you can see, this is our submitted hours, what I did right here on the track section. So we have 5 hours in total. What you want to do next is to approve this. So as you can see, it's still not approved. It's also unsupervised. It's still pending. So it's approved pending yet. So we can, of course, approve this or reject. Say approved. And now that logged is approved. So from here, there's the approvals. So if you're the manager or the leader of this project, of course, you will be the one approving all of the pending approvals. Next, we have our project section. So from here, as you can see, this is all of the projects that we've created. Of course, you can also add new projects. We can edit the projects we have created. We can add members or assign users. We can add tasks to this project also. Next, we have reports. As you can see, this is our dashboard. This is the detailed graphs and charts where we can see all of the reports. So you can either see your reports in a dashboard view, in a detailed view, it's like so, and also your timesheet right here. Next, we have the clients. So of course, you can always add new clients right here by clicking new client and simply fill up all of this information right here. You also have our invoices. Of course, you can create new invoices right here also. You can also export all of your current invoices. And of course, the uninvoiced invoices. And of course, next is our users and the teams. So of course, if you want to add team members right here, just click on add user, add their name and email, and give them their own role for this projects. And of course, teams. So you can add new teams. You can assign your members to a team. So basically, that's all of the features of My Hours. So again, if you're currently confused, they have video tutorials right here on how you can use their features. And what I can suggest to you is simply feel free to explore more about the features of My Hours and make sure that all of this feature will be useful to you and leverage you in your business needs. So just feel free to explore, take your time to learn more. And that's basically how it. Thank you very much for watching this complete beginner's guide to My Hours. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to track time, manage projects, and generate reports with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials on time tracking tools, productivity software, and business management platforms. If you'd like a deeper walkthrough of advanced features like budgeting, team analytics, invoicing integrations, or detailed reporting, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.